Curb construction. The construction of a road, as well as the area around it, can be done in many different ways. If the roadway is supposed to have a curb, it can be transported prefabricated to the construction site. Another option is the one that you see right now on the screen. These workers use special equipment, more precisely a slip-form paver, to create the curb. This machine is produced by the American company Power Curbers. This is the 5700C model. The operating principle is as follows. The first step is pouring the concrete into the reception hopper of the paver. The mix is then transferred from the hopper to the conveyor belt, which moves towards the mold. This in turn is equipped with special devices that uniformly compact the concrete using high-frequency vibrations. When the material is ready for paving, the mold creates a monolithic profile that meets the required parameters. All these processes are carried out on the go. In the end, the machine leaves behind a concrete structure that has to dry out and gain strength. The Power Curber 5700C is also capable of creating irrigation ditches, highway barriers, and sidewalks. Asphalt laying. You've probably wondered how the slip-form paver we've shown you can create sidewalks, since the mold is on the side. The fact is that these machines can be equipped with several molds. To understand this, take a closer look at the machine we're showing right now. It's designed to work with asphalt, not concrete. However, this special machine is also equipped with a sliding mold, which is used to pave flat surfaces. So, the principle of operation of these two special-purpose machines is very similar. The difference lies in the tasks assigned to them. The model shown in the video is the Super 13033i. Its manufacturer is the German company Joseph Vögele. It should be noted that the brand offers a wide range of asphalt pavers. In total, there are about 20 models, which differ in performance and working width. The Super 13033i falls into the compact class, with a working width of 4.5 meters. This machine can lay up to 250 tons of asphalt per hour. And it should be noted that the transport width of the machine doesn't exceed 2 meters. Road construction. When it comes to the construction of really large roads with heavy traffic, all stages are subject to greater requirements. Conventional concrete pavers can't cope with this workload in a short period of time. Asphalt pavers often don't have sufficient working width. This machine is perfect in these situations. It is the GP3 slip-form highway paver from the American company GmbH. The machine is equipped with a sliding frame. In this way, the telescopic sections allow multiple changes in the paving width. The maximum width is 9.2 meters. Like the machine shown above, this one has a slip form. Other notable features of this particular model include a system that reduces the noise generated during operation. When the GmbH GP3 was launched, it was the world's smartest paver. The technology helps the operator position the supports, change the size of the structure, and even control the direction. Road base laying. People who don't know much about construction, or our newest subscribers, probably think that any road has a base made of soil, crushed stone, and one or sometimes several layers of asphalt. In some cases, this is actually true. However, we'd like to tell you a little more about the process of preparing the base of the road. In addition, this stage of road construction looks very cool on video. What you see on the screen is a special binding substance containing bitumen. In case you don't know, bitumen is a complex mixture of various hydrocarbons with molecules of oxygen, sulfur, and nitrogen. In its natural form, bitumen is a mineral of organic origin. However, people also create it artificially by processing oil, coal, and schist. The material possesses a number of useful properties that are irreplaceable in road construction. Bitumen is the main component of almost any asphalt in the world. However, builders spray a uniform thin layer of bitumen on the road for a special reason. The bitumen layer has a number of useful functions. Firstly, it increases the resistance to surface cracking. Secondly, it protects the base from moisture after rain and snow. This in turn has a positive effect on the life surface of the road. The third property is that this viscous material protects the integrity of the base and reduces the amount of dust that arises in the subsequent working process. The bituminous coating improves adhesion between the road base and the surface as well. Cold mix asphalt. We chose this construction process for our video because asphalt pavement is more often associated with hot work. That is, the heated asphalt mix is placed on the surface of the pavement, after which a special roller passes over it. However, the method described above is not the only one. This is what cold asphalt pavement looks like. The fact is that hot asphalt pavements require certain conditions: warm weather and clean, dry surfaces. If these conditions are not fulfilled, cold asphalt is a better option. By the way, this technique is relatively new. The road construction mix includes asphalt concrete consisting of bitumen, crushed stone, and sand, as well as various plasticizers responsible for plasticity and fluidity. The last components are the polymeric substances that increase the strength of the finished coating. The cold asphalt laying method is really simple. It's poured on a prepared base in several layers. Each layer must be compacted. Interestingly, this asphalt is not inferior to conventional asphalt in terms of technical specifications. In addition, the surface can be used almost immediately. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.